Hey, it's Eric Jensen with Sprucehill here. It's our weekly update. It is week of May the 24th. And as promised, you can see the framers have landed the trusses on top of the upper floor walls and have started to spread them out. The peaked areas behind me are the gable ends. So let's go upstairs and see what upstairs looks like and what this home is starting to look like. All right, so this is the top of the stairs, what will be the top of the stairs. Those will go in once we've got the roof on, as the framers have found that if we install stairs when it's open to the weather, that's where we get more squeaks and have more problems. So here's our upper hallway. Behind me is the door to one of the bedrooms in this home, and then this door back here is the entry to the master suite. Welcome to the master suite in this home. Behind me, you can see the window looking into the backyard. We're in the master bedroom right now. To your left is the walk-in closet, and through this door here will be the future ensuite. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.